It's a perfect situation.
As I showed you yesterday, I've got a my slow cooker full of some veg. I could put some dehydrated in, but I don't want to at the moment. Let's add that bacon. Should have put that in with it, wouldn't have harmed it at all. Here in the UK, I don't know if you can get it where you live, we have something called bovril. You can, I believe, get it in cubes, but you can get it in jars. This is Asta's version of it, and it is a new one, and let me show you the consistency of it. It is very, very thick and sticky and everything. So I actually like a drink of this, a teaspoon of this, really nice, in boiling water. But because of how it is, when the jar is empty, it's still got stuff clinging to the sides. So I put water in it, shake it around so it gives me some of that, and I'll use it as a stock base. And actually I could do this again. Well, I think I need a touch more water in it. Now that yeast extract will help no end. So I don't want much water in it. Just don't want it too watery, like a soup. But that's sufficient to cover the bottom. You basically want at least, I'd say, ½ an inch of liquid on the bottom of your slow cooker. Give it a stir around. Now I'll put this on a low setting. It's now 12 o'clock. I'll put it on a low setting for about 6 hours and then come and have my tea. It's been 6 hours now. It's been on low, and where's the spoon? And it's all done and ready. I'm not going to have this just yet because I want some bread with it, just to dip in all this lovely juice. And there's bread in the oven rising, but I thought I'd just show you how it is now, and we'll do a little taste test. I can't keep it warm. Little bit of bacon, potato and carrot. Hot, nice. Because it's been on low, the carrots and potatoes are just nice and soft. They're not falling to bits, but they've not got any bite to them now. They're just nice. So that'll be lovely for me to have when the bread comes out of. Sourdough wholemeal loaf, really bubbly, well, and just about to go in the oven as soon as my Dutch oven is warm enough. So that will go nice with tea. Bread's come out the oven, a little flat on one side, but only just come out the oven, but I'm hungry, so I'm going to slice them up and have it with my bacon, stew, casserole, whatever you like to call it. and we'll probably come back for seconds. Tea for one, and I think I am that hungry I am coming back for seconds. Bye!
It's a perfect